What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be taking a look at this. I'm actually going to be opening this today and we're going to take a look at what's inside. If you haven't heard of Buskill, it's a Killcord for your laptop. So essentially what it does, and you can see on my screen over there, it can attach to your belt, it can attach to a bracelet, it can attach to whatever you want, keychain, whatever. And then if the magnetic connector gets disconnected, it's going to do one of three things. It's either going to shut down your laptop, or it's going to lock your laptop, or it can even wipe the encryption keys. So today we're just going to be taking a look at what's in the box, and I'm going to give my first impressions of the build quality, that kind of thing. Then we're going to go into how to use it, how to update it, and how to configure it to do one of those three things, from shutting down your computer to locking your screen or wiping your encryption keys. So we'll go ahead and we'll open this thing up and let's see what's inside. So the first thing was this card that's inside. And then inside that, we have the Buskill. Now that's pretty good build quality, looks pretty nice. It's got Buskill on the side here. And then, of course, the magnetic connector. Here is the USB-A cable, so this was going to plug into your laptop. This is going to attach to whatever you want it to attach to. And then here is the magnet. A strong magnet too. So one thing I was worried about before I received this was I was afraid the magnet might be weak and then you might accidentally disconnect it. But this actually has a pretty, you have to use a reasonable amount of force to get this apart. So that is reassuring, because I was worried that it would accidentally detach, and I think that would be a real concern for people. You know, this kind of thing is perfect for people who are activists or journalists or anyone who has very sensitive work on their computer or private work, whatever it may be. You know, if you work in some sector that, you know, you may do traveling, you may be a journalist or an activist, and you don't want to take any chances, but you also don't want to disconnect it on accident, especially if it's going to wipe your encryption header or something. You don't want it to be a weak magnet. So I'm glad they use a strong magnet, and the build quality looks good. What's also cool is they're really into open source, so they actually are also going to have 3D printed options as well, so you'll be able to, if you work in an area where, say, you're worried about it getting intercepted along the way by, say, a corrupt official or something, you don't have to worry about that if you go with the 3D printed option. So I'm going to go ahead and do some more videos on this. This is just the initial, my first impression look. And like I said, I've actually heard about this for a few years. I always thought it'd be cool to have one, and now I have one. So I want to send a thank you out to Buskill. Now, I'm not getting paid to do these videos. I just think it's a really cool product, and I only do videos on things that I think actually sound genuinely useful. I'm not going to be here shilling you a VPN that I don't know if I can trust. I'm not going to be doing those kinds of things on this channel. But on the other hand, this is actually something I think I've always wanted anyway, so I think can be genuinely useful to others. So looking forward to covering this. So I'll be mixing videos based on this, how to use it, how to update it, how to configure it to do either lock, shut down, or wipe your encryption in the next few weeks. So look forward to doing that with you guys. That's my first impressions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.